Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that's sending shockwaves through military circles around the world, the U.S. Army's brand new super tank. It's being called a monster, a game changer, and a glimpse into the future of ground warfare. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a total reimagining of what a main battle tank can be. Fast, deadly, intelligent, and surprisingly lightweight, this new machine could completely redefine the battlefield. For decades, the M1 Abrams has been the backbone of the U.S. Army's armored forces. Since its debut in the 1980s, it has proven itself in multiple wars, from the Gulf War to Iraq and beyond. But technology evolves, and the battlefield of tomorrow demands something different, something more adaptable, more connected, and more lethal. That's where the new M1E3 Abrams, the so-called super tank, comes in. This beast represents the next leap forward, blending advanced protection, high mobility, and digital warfare technology in a way we've never seen before. So, what makes this new tank so special? First off, it's not just about firepower, although it's got plenty of that. It's about intelligence. The M1E3 is being built around a digital ecosystem that allows it to communicate seamlessly with drones, infantry units, and other vehicles. Imagine a tank that can see threats miles away, share data instantly, and strike before the enemy even knows it's there. The integration of artificial intelligence and networked warfare gives this tank an almost sci-fi level of capability. One of the biggest changes is its weight and design. The M1 Abrams was an incredible tank, but it was also extremely heavy, over 70 tons in its latest variants. That kind of mass made it difficult to transport and limited its agility. The M1E3 is being designed to be lighter, more mobile, and more fuel efficient without sacrificing protection. This was achieved through advanced composite armor and modular design. The new materials offer protection that rivals traditional heavy armor, but at a fraction of the weight. It means faster movement, longer operational range, and easier deployment by air or rail. Powering this monster is a next-generation hybrid power system. This isn't just about saving fuel, it's about performance and stealth. The hybrid engine allows the tank to operate quietly in electric mode, reducing its heat signature and making it harder for enemies to detect. It also gives the crew more flexibility in combat situations. And the added electrical power supports advanced sensors, active protection systems, and potentially even energy-based weapons in the future. Speaking of protection, the M1E3 is expected to feature the latest active protection systems, the kind that can literally shoot down incoming missiles and rockets before they hit. The U.S. Army has been testing systems like Trophy, and the M1E3 will take it a step further with integrated sensors and automated countermeasures. These systems create a protective bubble around the tank, making it almost impossible to take down with conventional anti-tank weapons. The gun itself is another major upgrade. While the current Abrams uses a 120 mm smoothbore cannon, the M1E3 could be fitted with an improved version capable of firing a new generation of smart munitions. These rounds can adjust their trajectory mid-flight, track targets, and even communicate with other systems. It's not just about brute force anymore, it's about precision, efficiency, and adaptability. The tank may also carry a coaxial machine gun, and potentially even a small drone launcher for reconnaissance or attack missions. Inside, the crew experience is being completely redefined. The M1E3 will have a highly digital cockpit with touchscreens, augmented reality displays, and AI assistance. Instead of relying solely on visual observation from periscopes or viewports, the crew can access a 360-degree digital view of the battlefield. Cameras and sensors stitched together will give them unmatched situational awareness, even in poor visibility. This is the kind of technology that turns a traditional tank into a networked command center on tracks. Another major innovation is modularity. The U.S. Army wants a tank that can evolve with technology instead of becoming obsolete. The M1E3 will feature a modular structure that allows quick replacement or upgrades of major systems from armor panels to sensors and weapons. This means the tank can adapt to different missions, whether it's urban combat, open field warfare, or rapid response operations. It also reduces maintenance time and cost, ensuring the U.S. Army stays ahead of its adversaries for decades. Now, let's talk about the psychological and strategic impact. Tanks are not just weapons, they are symbols of military dominance. When a super tank like this enters service, it sends a clear message the United States is preparing for future wars where technology, not just numbers, will decide victory. Potential rivals like Russia and China are developing their own advanced tanks, the T-14 Armata and Type 99A, but the M1E3 appears to be one step ahead in integration, survivability, and AI-driven warfare. There's also a strong focus on crew safety and survivability. The M1E3 will include an isolated ammunition compartment, improved blast protection, and advanced fire suppression systems. Every design choice seems to prioritize not only mission success, but also the safety of the soldiers inside. The combination of automation and smart systems might even reduce the crew size from 4 to 3 in the future, with AI taking over certain tasks like target tracking and threat analysis. This tank isn't just built for traditional warfare. It's designed for the complex, hybrid conflicts of the future where cyber warfare, drones, and long-range precision strikes all blend into one. The M1E3 will serve as a command and control hub, integrating seamlessly with the U.S. Army's broader digital battlefield. It's not just a machine of destruction, it's a node in an intelligent, coordinated war network. Production and testing of this new tank are already underway, with prototypes expected to roll out in the coming years. The Army plans to phase out older Abrams models gradually and replace them with this new generation by the early 2030s. It's part of the Army's long-term modernization strategy, ensuring that American armored forces remain unmatched for decades to come. Critics might argue that tanks are becoming obsolete in an era dominated by drones and precision strikes, but the U.S. Army clearly disagrees. They believe the tank still has a critical role to play, just in a more evolved form. A tank that can communicate, evade, and dominate both physically and digitally isn't a relic of the past. It's the centerpiece of the future battlefield. When you think about it, the super tank label isn't hype, it's reality. The M1E3 Abrams represents the most significant leap in armored warfare since the Cold War. It's lighter, smarter, deadlier, and more adaptable than anything before it. This isn't just a machine, it's a statement of intent from the world's most powerful military. As the U.S. Army prepares to unveil this monster to the world, one thing is clear: the future of warfare is changing fast. And when this super tank rolls out, it won't just be another piece of military hardware. It will be the embodiment of American military innovation, precision, and power, ready to dominate the battlefield of tomorrow.